And like that, this side is all done. Looking good, looking good. But I still gotta wait for those. Welcome back to Easy E's Reveals, and I'm Easy E. And today we're gonna be getting back on my stepdaughter's husband's, which is now mine, Monte Carlo, getting that. I already got the engine cradle put back up, and that was a pain in my butt. Bracket pinion is back mounted. That was a pain in the butt. I'll show y'all that. And some parts that came in. So let's go take a look. So like I was saying, I got the new engine cradle back on there. I would have recorded that, but that was a pain in my butt. And this video would have been 3 hours long because I actually had to get my engine hoist, hook it up to the engine, and lift it up because that just to support it. But the engine did shift and drop down, so I couldn't get the new cradle on there. So I had to lift the engine up so I can get everything lined up so I can get the cradle. Then I was fighting with the rack and pinion because obviously in the last video, when the cradle fell, it twisted the rack. So the rack was kind of twisted. It wasn't lined up no more with the bolt holes. I had to figure out a way to get that untwisted. I used the Allen wrench, used the short end, and stuck it in the hole and twisted the rack and pinion back to where it needed to be and got it back mounted. But one side of the rack and pinion has rubber washers on it, and you know that's a pain. So I MacGyvered some stuff up so I can pull the rack and pinion down because my body weight alone wasn't pulling it down. So let's go take a look. And rack and pinion is back sitting. I got the bolt started, but that's what I had to hook up right there. So I have a jack underneath the cradle. Because the cradle bolts are loose, with a ratchet strap hooked up to the jack and wrapped around the rack and pinion so I could pull it back into a sleeve and get the bolt in, because on this side it has washers on both sides. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's washers. It's rubber washers on both sides. The other side don't got washers on it, so it just drops right in. This side got rubber washers, and I couldn't get it back in by myself, so I had to MacGyver some stuff to pull it down into there nice and straight and get the boat started. Nothing has been tying up yet, so I still got to get up under there and tying up the bolts for the rack and pinion and get my little stuff unhooked and go around here and getting all the lines secured where they're supposed to go on this new cradle. And I did change the AC compressor, the one he had in the car already. He got from Pick and Pull years ago. And I did get some parts in that I ordered. So here's all my new parts. My outer tie rods, sway bar end links, and control arms. And this time, unfortunately, I wasn't able to order from Detroit Axle because it would have been here in time. These parts actually came yesterday. Some Chinese parts. Detroit Axle wouldn't be able to get to me until, I think it was Sunday. And today is Sunday for me. But I'm still waiting on some other parts that didn't come in. Well, not parts, but I was waiting on some AC compressor oil that's now arriving between today and tomorrow. So I had to go find some from my local automotive store. So I found who carried it, went and got me a bottle. So I get the AC compressor put back on, had put some oil in there. Always put oil in your AC compressors, people. So that one don't burn out. Still got to get the motor mounts secured on this side and that side. And got to get all these new parts put on. So, let's begin.
try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test, expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess, what's happening next, He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine. From pain it's a blessing, new focus, no guessing. Just wrote an obsession, all in his possession. You got their attention, I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds, they can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change you. Alright. Got this side all buttoned back up. Outer tie rod, sway bar inlink, control arm. Y'all see in time lapse, my Harbor Freight Impact T55 blew up on me. It shattered. It just shattered while I was doing that one. So now I need another T55 for the Impact. Hopefully I got a warranty. Go get another one on it. Go get another one next time I go to Harbor Freight. Because that was some boo right there. Now I need another one. Now I got to be careful with my other one because my other one is not an Impact one. But I know y'all probably looking at those wires dangling like that. I have to wait until Monday for the clips to come in so I can clip this back to the control arm. Because I don't believe I have any more. Those clips. Oh, I got 1, 2, 3. So I'll be able to get that side done. I have 3 more clips because I used the other ones on my brother from another mother's control arm. So I had to order some more. So I'll be able to clip this in. So let me get them set up there. Then we can get started on the other side. Clip in one right there. One right here. Oh yeah, I can't see him. Sticking my head down in here. Usually need 4. I'll wait till the other one come in. Clip it down there. You do need these. Keep that wire from getting snagged on stuff. I'll need one more right there. There's supposed to be another one up under there, but I think I got that one. So on the floor somewhere. Here it is. Supposed to just get clipped on. And it holds on to your
See, those are power steering lines. So we'll just clip onto there. If I can get them on there. Well, there I go. Not the ideal way to get it on there, but it's on there. Need one more clip. Should be fine. But if y'all new to this channel, in this car he ran over a tire and bent up the cradle. AC compressor went out. A whole bunch of stuff went wrong with this car if he hit a tire. So now I'm just trying to get her back into shape. And since I had to put a new cradle on here, might as well change the control arms, the outer tie rod, and the sway bar end links. That'll be less work for another person. And I did change that compressor. Just got to fill up the system. She was bone dry anyway. And I do have another battery back there for her on the repair, because this is not the battery for this car. This car takes a 78. That's a 75. That came out the other car. But she needed a battery because her battery was gone. So, let's jump on into the other side.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
And like that, this side is all done. Looking good, looking good. But I still gotta wait for those wire tie downs, whatever you want to call them. Won't be here until Monday. But the donor cradle was back on the car, which was a pain. Doing it on laying on your back, trying to get it back up there, engine in the way. That VVOR engine stabilizer did help for the motor not dropping out the car. But it did shift over, which gave me a lot of problems, where I had to go and get my engine hoist, and hook that up to get it into position and get it up higher. So I could get this cradle back on, and back in pinion, and off camera I did redo. These are the new used pigtails for the ABS system. Because if you see in the last video, the old ones, one of them was cut, the other one was chewed up. Here are the old ones. So that one is chewed up. Other one was broke right there. Well, chewed up and broke. And I did change the pigtail for the oil level sensor. Because I do have wiring harnesses for these Monte Carlos. Obviously, because I'm the Monte Carlo king. So eventually I'm going to get some more wiring harnesses. So I can cut all the pigtails off that one once I run out of pigtails. There's only so many pigtails I can use. Like over there on the wall, that's the harness for the battery and starter for Monte Carlo. Rear bumper absorber for Monte Carlo. Front bumper absorber over there. But I guess since I don't got no shop, I do get the job done. No matter what. I was like, man, I thought I was going to be able to get this cradle put back on. That I was going to end up just junking this car because I can't get the cradle. But I was like, no, I was giving myself some time and got her back on up there. And she looked better than the old engine cradle because the old engine cradle was bent up and in the front. This cradle is nice and flat and where it's supposed to be. So I was thinking I had some misalignment because the other one did take a hit, but everything was still in line. I thought maybe everything shifted because the cradle was messed up. But the car still drove straight with the bent engine cradle. So let's get on up out of here because I'm done with this one for now. So if y'all enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, give us a thumbs down. Leave a comment in the comment section below if you would. Share this video with your friends, family, and co-workers. We truly appreciate it. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy's Rebuilds. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we release a new video. We have merch at teespring.com. Not like this. We take Cash App donations and donations of cars locally. And we do occasionally make trades on cars, just like this one. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And with all that said, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!